Real estate math. How to compute a real estate agent's or broker's commission. In this tutorial, we will describe how to compute real estate commissions. There are a lot of problems in real estate that involve percentages. These real estate problems are computing a real estate agent's commission, computing interest paid when borrowing money, computing mortgage payments, computing loan discounts or points on a mortgage, computing depreciation, computing profit and loss, and computing a return on investment. Each of these will be described in its own video section. Now, one of the top items of importance to each and every real estate agent or broker is how to compute real estate commissions. Commission is how a real estate agent or broker gets paid. Real estate commissions rates around the country can run from anywhere from 1% to 10%. These rates depends on the type of property and the local area. Commission problems come up a lot in the real estate exams. Now, one thing that can be common to these different problems are the base, rate, and part. This can be described as below. It's an equation. We have a circle that describes it, and the circle is kind of divided in half. We have P in one part of the circle, and also R times B, which represents rate times base. If you look below, we have an equation, and the equation is part equals rate times base. Now, the base represents the entire amount, the part represents part of the base amount, and rate represents the fractional value that helps determine the part of the base. Now, with respect to the part equals rate times base equation, the commission is the part, the gross sales price of the home is the base amount, and the rate is the fraction, when applied, that produce and helps determine the commission in this case. For example, this is described below. So we have that same equation. We have part equals rate times base. We said that the part represents commissions. We say the rate represents the rate of commission in this case. And also the base represents like the gross sales price. We have an example. Say we have a house that's valued at $300,000. Let's say if a sales agent says they're going to receive a 5% commission based on a $300,000 home and a 5% commission contract, the commission for that sale would be $15,000. So we have here part equals rate times base. This puts us in a position for my next tutorial where we describe how to compute real estate related interest problems. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, feel free to join us at the computing sector. There will be more videos and tutorials coming soon. Thanks.